Alright, y'all, I just uploaded my ceiling fans at my house video for 2021, and the Ceiling Fan Man 2000 said that I should do an outside tour. Well, I'm not at our house that we live in, but I'm at a house that we own that my aunt rents from us, and I said, well, it's got some outside ceiling fans, so I'm going to tour them. Side note, they're all permanent installs, and I'm sure you've seen them before, but these are the outside ceiling fans. First, let me get some on. Alright, I'm out here on my back porch, which comes off of my bedroom. And normally I use this light, but it's twilight, and so I've turned on the Christmas lights, and they're plenty bright, so I only use this one when I'm grilling and I want good light to chop meat and all of that. This is the Hampton Bay Nassau. And yes, I painted the blades. That was when I was little. It was very stupid to do that. And this house has 3 porches, all with a ceiling fan. This porch, that porch, and a front porch. And it needs to be repainted, I know. But it's 80 years old, so. Anyway. Lucky, now that that paint's... I put it on there when I was little and obsessed with painting everything. It's starting to flake off, so that's good. So eventually this thing will look right. And it had 2 pull chains, but it was so annoying pulling the wrong one and not getting any action, so I just cut off the other pull chain. That Christmas light is screwing up the camera. They're all doing that, man. Alright, that's medium. Here you go. Here is fast. Or high. I had to think of the word. I'll get off of the porch so y'all can kind of see. There you go. Here's my grill. I love my little Christmas lights out here. I have the fly ribbons because I get a lot of flies when I cook, so. Anyway. Alright, that's the Nassau. Let's go around to this other porch. You can see the Hampton Bay Nassau over there, and now I'm over here on this other porch. Sometimes if we need a really, really bright porch light, I'll turn on this one. And that orange plug is the fan. But just for video purposes, I think that shows the fan better. This is a Westinghouse Petite. One of the pull chain dangles broke off. I think it rusted or something, I don't know. That little thin metal there just breaks like really easy. That buzzing's coming from right over here somewhere on one of these joints. Yeah? You do? Yes. For what reason? Do you need me to get the volume rockers? I'll do that. That noise goes away once you hit high. But on high it wobbles a little bit. Alright, last one is the one on the front porch. I didn't turn on the Christmas lights on this porch, but this is a Home Trends. You can tell because it's different color as a Westinghouse Petite, and it has moon brackets. It's twilight. Let's see if I can pick up a picture. No. This thing is dirty. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you real soon. And I got more outside fans coming, so thank you, Ceiling Fan Man 2000, for requesting it.